A Windy Day by Elinor Wylie. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. A Windy Day by Elinor Wylie. O shameless day, a daring stress, a sweet but insufficient dress, of windy hair in billows piled, lock too bright, lock unreconciled, is round your virgin nakedness. O shameless day! We might expect, you must confess, some rosy blushes, soft distress. Your clear regard is like a child, O shameless day! Your self-possession in the press of sunbeams struggling with success. To kiss you by blue eyes beguiled, your eyes so innocently wild, is like some maiden sorceress. O shameless day! End of A Windy Day by Elinor Wylie.